Here we have the 2012 Black Eye Pistola bike check. Alright, here we go. We got 8-inch rise on the bars, stock grips, we got the stock cable with a stock stem, forks are stock, rim stock. I'm not sure what the hub is, or the tire actually, but I did put the brake holder on from Dance Comp. It's pretty nice. It's a Pistola. I plan on getting a pivotal seat. What I did add was the shadow pedals. Pretty sick, honestly. I love them. Then we got the KMC and chain in yellow. Plan on adding Aaron Ross brakes also. Been riding on the bike for a week of total now, and it's a pretty sick bike. And last video had a hub sound, but I didn't think that it sounded too great, so I think I'm gonna do another clip on the hub real quick for you guys. Alright. And that's about it. Planning on putting some new parts on, and when I do, I'll be uploading a new bike check. Until then, see you guys.